Hello guys, welcome back to my channel The Pixie Speaks. So today, as you can see, I am going to teach you how to make a homemade haldi uptan, and the steps are as following. Take 1 tablespoon of gram flour besan, and you can go for 2 tablespoons if you have a bigger face than mine, and then just add a pinch of haldi in it. Keep the ratio of haldi to besan as 2:6. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons of rose water, along with which you can just add optionally aloe vera gel as I added in my mixture. Now after mixing everything, your DIY uptan is ready. Now it is the time for application. You can use your hand or an applicator brush to apply the uptan mixture on your face. Apply this and keep it for about 15 to 20 minutes before you wash off your face with lukewarm water. You can wash it off with normal water as well, but I prefer lukewarm water over the normal water. Avoid applying any wash or soap after you have used the uptan on your skin, because that is the only thing which does the work to clean your face totally and gives the brightening effect to your skin. After you have washed off the uptan from your face, the last step for you would be to moisturize your skin lightly. As it is summer, I won't recommend you to use any heavy moisturizer on your skin. You can just use a light aloe vera gel like I am using for my face to moisturize your skin, and you will be good to go. You won't need any extra makeup as your skin would get glowing after you have applied this uptan on your face. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and for more such updates, please do subscribe to my channel.